Meta. Congrats, Meta, on finally outperforming the S&P 500 today on a major earnings report. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about why Meta is up over 5% and the general S&P 500 is down about 1-2%. So I know this might not seem like much, but guys, this is a very big deal, especially for a lot of ETFs, especially for the general market. So I'm excited to jump into this. We're going to be talking about what's going on and should you buy this stock. So guys, hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, do what you guys do. And if you guys want to learn more about investing, trading, all of that good stuff, I highly recommend checking out the Swing Trading Masterclass. That is our school where we teach people my approach on how to find undervalued stocks. So check it out down below. We have private group chats, we have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, all that good stuff. And you guys can use code money, 50% off, only one spot left for that code. So I want you to sign up, check it out down below. And guys, let's dive into this here. So looking at Meta here, you guys can see that it has seen some volatility with some great gap ups, but overall some great gaps down. Pretty much every other earnings is good and then bad. So we've had a bad earnings, and then a good earnings, and then a bad earnings, and then recently a good earnings. So, that's kind of why we're getting so much buying pressure as of today, is because Meta jumps on Q2 earnings beat. So every single, earnings, pretty much Wall Street will come out and say, hey, I expect Meta to bring in a certain dollar amount. If they beat expectations, often what we see is a ton of buying pressure out of it because they beat their earnings. This could be indication for future growth, which could mean more revenue and overall make the share go up in value. So earnings in focus here. Adjusted earnings per share came in at $5.16, topping Zacks consensus estimate of $4.70 and increasing from a year ago of $3.23. Revenues grew 22% year over year to $39.07 billion and came above the estimate of $38 billion. Advertising revenues, which account for the majority of Meta's business, jumped 22% to $38.3 billion, that's a lot of money. Meta's global daily active users on at least one of the family of services, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger, increased 7% year over year to 3.27 billion as of June. WhatsApp has reached more than 100 million monthly users in the United States, and Threads, Meta's ex-rival, is about to hit more than 200 million monthly users. Meta AI is on track to be the most used AI assistant in the world by the end of the year, said CEO Mark Zuckerberg. The world's largest social media experts, the world's largest social media platform experts, to post revenues in the range of 38.5 to 41 billion for the third quarter. The Zacks consensus estimate is pegged at 39.39 billion. This is crazy. This is a huge thing for Meta and just a lot of tech right now. Meta would continue to spend big on AI infrastructure, anticipating 2024 capital to range of 37 to 40 billion, up by 2 billion at the lower end from its previous forecast of 35 to 40 billion. It continues to expect total expenses in the range of 96 to 99 billion. So a little more increase in spending, but they're going to spend it on big AI infrastructure, which is good stuff, guys. So this is why it's important here. A lot of people are asking, why is this a big deal? And I want to show you this. As of today, what we've seen just in the general space here is everything get good sell-off, and especially among tech. You guys can see software's down, Nvidia's down almost 7%, Apple's down almost 2%, Amazon's down, Tesla's down, Home Depot's down. Everything is getting crushed except for Meta. So this could be a huge thing for growth. I'm very excited. And the great thing about this is we actually talked about this stock before this month saying this is the most undervalued stock to buy this month. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those and check out our school where we talk about how to find undervalued stock. Code money 50% off. But guys, answering that question of should you buy Meta, for me, I definitely think Meta carries so much long-term potential. Especially, it's going to be the most used AI in the world. It's going to be an absolute powerhouse for advertising, for artificial intelligence, for technology. You know, they're still working in VR. I'm very excited for this company. And guys, the best strategy I would recommend is to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is investing consistently into into Meta. What this does is it gets a good average price. So if we do get sell off, we can average down and just hold it for the long run. I'm a huge bull on Meta, and I'm very excited to see where the stock goes in the future. Let me know down below if you guys are buying it, but that is everything going on with this company. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.